Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best Ballistol spray is probably one of the most versatile and effective lubricants and protectants you can find. Whether you're a gun enthusiast, a mechanic, or just someone who appreciates well-maintained equipment, this stuff is a game changer. Today, we're diving deep into what makes Ballistol so special, exploring its many uses, and showing you why it deserves a spot in your toolkit. Get ready to discover the ultimate solution for all your lubrication and protection needs. Number 5. Ballistol Multipurpose Aerosol Lubricant Cleaner Protectant. This is a multi-purpose lubricant, cleaner, and protectant. It comes in a 6-ounce aerosol can. It's perfect for a variety of uses. The product is made in the United States. You can trust its quality and effectiveness. It's designed to meet high standards. The package is 6.75 inches in height, 2.25 inches in length, and 2.25 inches in width. It's a compact and convenient size. This aerosol can contain 6 ounces of the product. It's easy to use and provides excellent coverage. It's a great choice for various applications. It is perfect for lubricating and protecting firearms and other items. It helps preserve and protect metal, wood, leather, and plastics. This product is a versatile solution for your needs. What we like. This product is a true all-rounder, perfect for a wide range of applications. It excels at preserving and protecting various materials. If you're looking for a versatile solution for your firearms, tools, and more, this is a great choice. What people say. Easy to use. Very effective. Bonds with metal. Non-greasy. Easy to clean up after. Easy to use. Highly recommended. Number 4. Chemical Guys Heavy Duty Sprayer, ACC_121.16 HD3, 3-pack. This sprayer dispenses about 40% more with each squeeze. It quickly wets panels for cleaners and degreasers. You can adjust it from a fine mist to a focus stream. The Vuitton O-ring and rugged trigger are built to handle strong detailing chemicals. It provides dependable performance for your daily washes and deep cleans. It is 1.3 ml per stroke. This is great for pre-wash, wheels, tires, engine bays, and interior cleaning. It's useful for cars, trucks, RVs, and home garage tasks. Clear markings help keep your chemicals organized. Get superior results with spray waxes, carpet cleaners, and window cleaners. The 9-3-4 stem allows the sprayer to be sized for 32-ounce and 12-ounce bottles. The end of the sprayer has a light filter to ensure maximum chemical passage. It's designed to be an effective cleaning tool in all conditions. The large finger loop and textured grip improve control, even with wet hands. The leak-resistant design keeps your work area tidy. It's a reliable choice for mobile detailers and DIY users. What we like. This sprayer is built to handle the toughest detailing chemicals. The adjustable spray allows for precise application, and the high output gets the job done quickly. If you're a detailer or a DIY enthusiast who needs a reliable and efficient sprayer, you should consider this. What people say. The trigger has a solid feel, the nozzle is adjustable and for the most part does not pee on your hand. The bottle's slim profile gives the whole package a good balance, and they pack into a kit bag well. I love the size, as they are easier to find a storage spot for, but also fit more nicely in my hand too. I love the sprayer and handle, as they fit my hand very well. Number 3. BTAS CLP Gun Oil Cleaning Kit. Tired of complicated gun maintenance? This combo kit simplifies everything. It's your all-in-one cleaner, lubricant, and protectant, making gun care easy. This product provides long-lasting protection for your gun. It helps maintain top accuracy, ensuring your firearm performs at its best. The needle oiler allows for precise application to rails and hard-to-reach areas. This reduces friction and wear, keeping every part in top condition. It deeply and quickly cleans springs and moving parts. It removes dirt and gunpowder residue, ensuring your firearm functions smoothly. Safe for home use and storage, it's ideal for cleaning various firearms. It works on metal, carbon, wood, polymers, plastics, and camouflage coatings. Whether it's freezing or scorching, this gun oil won't fail. Tested from -65 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, it ensures your firearm is always ready. What we like. This kit simplifies gun maintenance with its all-in-one formula. The needle oiler allows for precise application in hard-to-reach areas. If you need a reliable gun cleaner and lubricant that performs in any weather, this is the one. What people say. Great kit, cleans very well. CLP should clean, lubricate, and protect. This does the job. Works quickly and takes very little to do the job. Number 2. Ballistol Multi-Purpose Lubricant Cleaner Protectant 16 ounces. This is Ballistol, a versatile lubricant, cleaner, and protectant. It comes in a 16-ounce can with a convenient sprayer. It's perfect for a wide range of applications. This product is ideal for lubricating and protecting firearms. But its uses don't stop there. It can be used on many other items as well. It preserves and protects metal, wood, leather, and plastics. This makes it a great choice for a variety of items you want to keep in good condition. Ballistol is biodegradable, so it won't harm the environment. This means you can use it with peace of mind, knowing it's a responsible choice. Its slightly alkaline nature neutralizes the effects of sweat and skin oils. This helps to prevent corrosion and keeps items in top shape. What we like. This product is not only effective but also environmentally friendly. It's biodegradable and neutralizes the effects of sweat and skin oils. If you're looking for a larger size with a sprayer and want an eco-conscious choice, you should consider this. What people say. It works really, really well. Ballistol can be used as an all-in-one gun care product, cleans, lubricates, protects. It can be used on knives and blades to both clean them and prevent rust, which is especially an issue for high-carbon steel. It can be used as a leather care product for boots and the likes. It can be used on wood to create a protective film. It can be used as a penetrating oil to break free rusty screws. It can be used on bicycle chains, boats, engines. It can even, in case of emergency, be used as a disinfectant on wounds. Number 1. Ballistol 6-ounce Aerosol Lubricant Cleaner Protectant, 2-pack. This is a versatile lubricant, perfect for various applications. It can be used to protect and lubricate many different things. It's ideal for firearms, ensuring they are well maintained and protected. This product helps keep them in top condition. This product preserves and protects metal, wood, leather, and plastics. It's a great choice for a wide range of items. It's biodegradable and won't harm the environment. You can use it with peace of mind, knowing it's eco-friendly. It's slightly alkaline and neutralizes the effects of sweat and skin oils. This helps to prevent corrosion and maintain the integrity of the treated surfaces. What we like. This is a great value pack that offers the same great features as the single can. It's biodegradable and neutralizes the effects of sweat and skin oils. If you like the original but need more, this is the perfect option. What people say. Cleans, protects, and lubricates as advertised. It helped me clean metal cans and rust off of it. Great product for tools, firearms, autos, or anything else that needs lubrication and protection or to clean the gunk off. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.